Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on parallel lines. Parallel lines on a number plane have the same slope or gradient. If the above two lines are parallel, then M1 equals M2. So M1 is the slope of this line, M2 is the slope of that line. Because they're both parallel, M1 equals M2. This applies to lines that have either a positive or negative gradient. Let's look at some examples. Write yes or no to indicate whether the lines in each of the following examples are parallel. The first one, y equals 2x plus 4 and y equals 2x plus 7. The answer is yes, they are parallel. Each line has a gradient of 2. So we have 2 here and 2 here. For the second example, we have y equals minus 3x minus 4 and y equals minus 2x plus 5. The answer is no, they are not parallel. The gradients are different. That gradient is negative 3 and that gradient is negative 2. The third example, y equals minus 9x minus 3 and y equals minus 9x plus 7. Yes, they are parallel because each line has a gradient of negative 9. Let's look at some more examples. Find the equation of the line that is parallel to y equals 2x plus 5 and which passes through the point 3, 4. We will use the equation y equals mx plus b to answer this question. So, the line we want has a gradient of 2 because it is parallel to the line y equals 2x plus 5. So we can write, hence, that the equation of the line that we want is y equals 2x plus b because it has a gradient of 2 because it's parallel to this line. Now we have to find b. Now to find b, substitute x equals 3 and y equals 4 because the line passes through 3, 4. So we have 4, that's the y value, equals 2 times 3, that's the x value, plus b. 4 equals 6 plus b, and that gives us b has a value of negative 2. So the equation of the line that we want is y equals 2x minus 2. And you'll see that it has the same gradient as this line here. The y-intercept of that line is plus 5, and the y-intercept of that line is minus 2. Over here, question 2. If y equals 5x plus 7 is parallel to y equals mx plus 9, find the value of m. Since the two lines are parallel, the gradients are equal. Hence, m equals 5. It has the same slope or gradient as this line. Number 3. If y equals minus 3x minus 9 is parallel to y equals mx plus 11, find the value of m. Since the two lines are parallel, the gradients are equal. So the gradient of the line that we want is negative 3. So this video has introduced us to the idea of parallel lines, and if two lines are parallel, then their slopes or gradients are equal. And this applies whether the slopes are positive or negative. And we've seen a few examples just to see how this section operates.